Imagine saving thousands of dollars just by making one smart financial move. With interest rates fluctuating, could now be the perfect time to refinance and put that extra cash back in your pocket. Stay tuned, because today I'm diving deep to find out if refinancing right now can actually save us a fortune. Hello everyone, I'm Steven, your host here at the Money Mentor Hub. With over a decade of experience in investment banking and serving as a key finance executive for Fortune 500 companies, I've helped countless individuals navigate the complex world of finance. Today, I'm challenging myself and you to figure out if refinancing your mortgage or loan could be the game changer you've been waiting for. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the benefits and potential drawbacks of refinancing, learn how to assess if it's the right move for your unique situation, and discover strategies to maximize your savings. Plus, I'll reveal a little known tip that could make refinancing even more advantageous. So make sure you watch all the way through. Refinancing. It's a term you've probably heard thrown around a lot lately, especially in personal finance circles. But what does it really mean? And why is it becoming such a hot topic in today's market? In simple terms, refinancing is the process of replacing your existing mortgage with a new one, typically to secure a lower interest rate or better terms. With interest rates at historic lows, it's no wonder people are considering refinancing as a way to save some serious cash. Now you might be thinking, isn't refinancing expensive with all those fees and closing costs? That's a valid concern. Refinancing isn't free and there are upfront costs involved. However, those costs can often be offset in the long run through lower monthly payments and significant savings on interest. Some lenders even offer low or zero cost refinancing options, making it possible to refinance without a hefty initial outlay. Another misconception is that refinancing is only for people struggling to make their mortgage payments, but that's simply not true. Regardless of your financial situation, refinancing could still be a smart move, especially if you can lock in a lower interest rate or better terms. But here's a critical question. Is now really the right time to refinance? Or should you wait for rates to drop even further? Timing is crucial, and with interest rates as low as they are right now, exploring your options sooner rather than later could be beneficial. So, what about the refinancing process itself? How does it work, and what can you expect? First, check your credit score and get pre-approved for a new mortgage. Then, gather your financial documents and submit an application. Once approved, you can lock in your new interest rate and begin the process of switching over to your new loan. Many lenders offer streamlined refinancing options, so the entire process can often be completed in just a few weeks. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. In a moment, I'll share a real-life example that illustrates just how much you could potentially save by refinancing now. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Today, with interest rates at historic lows, refinancing could lead to substantial savings. For instance, if you're currently paying 4% interest on a $300,000 mortgage, refinancing to a 3% rate could save you over $150 per month. Over the life of the loan, that's tens of thousands of dollars, money that stays in your pocket instead of going to the bank. Let me share Sarah's story. Sarah and her husband were paying 4.5% interest on the $250,000 mortgage. When rates dropped, they decided to refinance and secured a 3.25% rate. This move saved them over $200 per month, amounting to over $40,000 in savings over the loan's term. They didn't have to extend their loan period or make drastic changes to their lifestyle. But Sarah's story isn't unique. Many homeowners are refinancing and saving thousands. You could be one of them. So if you're sitting there wondering, is refinancing right for me? The answer is, it's definitely worth exploring. Now, you might be concerned about potential downsides. What about the closing costs? What if interest rates drop even further after I refinance? These are valid questions. While refinancing can offer significant benefits, it's important to consider factors like closing costs, the length of time you plan to stay in your home, and how long it will take to recoup the refinancing costs through your monthly savings. At this point, you may be wondering how to calculate whether refinancing makes sense for your specific situation. Coming up, I'll share a simple method to help you determine if refinancing is the right move for you. Before we continue, if you're finding this information helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to the Money Mentor Hub. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content to help you achieve financial freedom. So, how do you determine if refinancing is right for you? Calculate your break-even point by dividing your total refinancing costs by the monthly savings from your new loan. If you plan to stay in your home longer than it takes to break even, refinancing could be a smart move. For example, If your refinancing costs are $3,000 and you save $150 per month, your break-even point is 20 months. If you plan to stay in your home for at least 2 more years, refinancing could be beneficial. But here's that little known tip I promised. Consider shortening your loan term when you refinance. If you're financially able, moving from a 30-year to a 15-year mortgage can save you even more in interest payments over the life of the loan. While your monthly payments may increase slightly, the long-term savings are substantial. In summary, refinancing can be a powerful tool for saving money on your mortgage, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's essential to evaluate your financial situation and make an informed decision. And remember, the sooner you act, the sooner you can start saving. I'd love to hear your thoughts on refinancing. Have you considered it? Or have you refinanced recently? Share your experiences and questions in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in learning more about choosing the right mortgage or financial strategies tailored to your situation, be sure to check out the video appearing on your screen right now. It's packed with valuable tips and tricks. See you in the next one.